Hello students. In today's session we study about digital documentation unit 3 and today topic is paragraph style. First is paragraph. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a document can have several sentences, a single sentence, a single word or no words at all. Then next is what is paragraph formatting? Paragraph formatting is the most important factor in the overall appearance of a document. It includes paragraph alignment, indentation, border spacing, border effect, etc. Every paragraph in a LibreOffice Writer document has a paragraph style. If you want to change paragraph style, for this, click on Paragraph Style drop down arrow present on Formatting toolbar. Then select any style and click on it. For this paragraph change in predefined formatting styles, for this see figure 320. In this figure, see, firstly we click on paragraph drop down arrow, then select any heading style and see the changes in figure 3.20. Then next is indenting paragraph. Then first question is what is indentation? The distance between text boundaries and the page margin is called indent. The entire paragraph can be indented in one step. For this, place the text cursor anywhere in the paragraph. Select and click on the increase indent or decrease indent tool according to your requirement. Increase and decrease indent tool option is available on formatting toolbar. Then when we click on increase indent tool option, then text will shift half inch away from the left margin. And when we click on decrease indent option, it will move the text half inch closer to the left margin. Then other method for indentation is firstly click on format tab, then select paragraph option, then paragraph dialog box will appear, then select indent and spacing tab and select the required indent according to your choice. Then next topic is aligning paragraph. Alignment refer to the position of the text and you can set the alignment before typing. There are four types of alignment, that is left, right, center and justify. To align the paragraph, firstly select the text, then click on alignment option from formatting toolbar according to your choice. Then shortcuts for alignment, that is for left Ctrl plus L, for center Ctrl plus E, for right Ctrl plus R and for justify Ctrl plus J. In justify, text is aligned evenly between left and right margins. Second method for alignment option is, that is firstly click on format tab, then click on paragraph option, then paragraph dialog box will appear, then select alignment tab, then select alignment option according to your choice. See in figure 3.22, Control plus L, it aligns our text in left side. Control plus C, it aligns our text in center. Control plus R, it aligns our text in right. Next is font color, highlighting and background color. There are three more tools: font color, highlighting and background tools on format toolbar. If you want to change the font color, for this click on font color drop down arrow, then select any color and click on it. If you want to highlight your text, for this firstly click on highlight drop down arrow, then select the highlight color and click on it. If you want to remove highlight color, then for this click on remove color or no color option. Next is bullets and number. A list is defined as the number of connected items, for example numbers, connectors, etc., whereas a bullet is a small graphic symbols that mark an item in a list. There are various bullets, that is circle, square, diamond sign, etc. You can assign the bullets or numbering to the list items in the document by using the option on bullets and numbering toolbars. You can also create a nested list by using the buttons on the bullets and numbering toolbars. If you want to open bullets and numbering toolbar, for this, firstly click on view menu, then click on toolbar option, then select bullets and numbering toolbar option. If you want to apply bullets and numbering list by other methods, for this click on format menu, then select bullets and numbering option, then bullets and numbering dialog box will appear, then select any bullet and numbering style and click on OK. If you want to apply nested list, for this click on customize option, then select options according to your choice and click on OK. Next option is assigning color, border and background. To assign background color to the paragraph, firstly select the paragraph, then click on format and then click on paragraph option, then click on area option, then select color, then select the color according to your requirement. Then to assign border to the paragraph, firstly select the paragraph, then select format option, then click on paragraph option, then select border option, then select line option. Under line option, we have three options, that is line style, line width and line color, and then click on OK. Thank you.